So here you have two quadratic functions intersecting each other. So the first one, f of x equals 2 plus 2x plus x squared. And the second one, g of x is equal to 5 minus 2x minus x squared. And both of them are between minus 3 and 2. So when x is minus 3, 2 plus 2 times minus 3 plus minus 3 squared gives you, use your calculator, which gives you 5. So minus 3, 5. When x is minus 2, 2 plus 2 times minus 2 plus minus 2 squared is 2. So minus 2, 2. When x is minus 1, 2 plus 2 times minus 1 plus minus 1 squared gives you 1. Minus 1, 1. When x is 0, 2 plus 2 times 0 plus 0 squared is 2. So 0, 2. When x is 1, 2 times 1 plus 1 squared gives 5. So 1 and 5. And finally, when x is 2, 2 plus 2 times 2 plus 2 squared is equal to 10. So 2 and 10. And work those out using your calculator if you're stuck, okay? Now that's f of x. And then for g of x, if x is minus 3, so this is for g of x, we'll split the page. 5 minus 2 times minus 3 plus, minus minus 3 squared is equal to 2. So minus 3, 2. 5 minus 2 times minus 2 minus minus 2 squared, which is equal to 9. 9 is 5. So minus 2, 5. 5 minus 2 times minus 1 minus minus 1 squared is 6. So minus 1, 6. 5 minus 2 times 0 minus 0 squared is 5. So 0, 5. When x is 1, 2 times 1 minus 1 squared, which is equal to 2. So 1, 2. And finally, 5 minus 2 times 2 minus 2 squared is minus 3. So 2 down to minus 3. Okay, so there are your two sets of values. And now you want to draw a graph. So we need to get up as far as 10 and down to minus 3. So we'll draw it out in the middle. Up to 10. You have your x-axis, your y-axis, always labelled. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, minus 2 and minus 4. On the x-axis, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and 1. And finally, 2 on the y-axis. Okay, so I'm going to plot this one here in red. So this one I'm going to do in red. So minus 3 up to 5. Minus 2 up to 2. Minus 1, 1. 0, 2. 1 up to 5. And 2 up as far as 10. So this graph is in red. Like so. And I'm going to plot the second graph in green. So this one will be in green. Okay. So minus 3 up as far as 2. Minus 2 up to 5. Minus 1 up to 6. 0 up to 5. 1 up to 2. And 2 to minus 3. So your graph will look something like so. Okay, so there's the two graphs. And so that's the intersection of two quadratic graphs for you. Okay, now the questions then. Use your graph to estimate the values for which f of x is equal to g of x. So f of x equal to g of x. So where are the graphs equal? Right, so where do the two graphs equal? Well, when x is equal to minus 2.4 thereabouts and x equal to 0.5. Okay, so the two values for x are minus 2.4 and 0.5. Okay, and then the second part, use your graph to estimate the values of x for which f of x is in red is greater than g of x. So where is f of x greater than g of x? When x is, so for part 2, when x is greater than or equal to minus 2.4 and when x is greater than or equal to 0.5. So really what we're looking for here is where the graph is greater than. So up here it's greater than. Okay, so these values are greater than these values because this is going down. So from here down or here up, this is greater than this one. Okay, so but just be careful with that.